Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Monday, November the 25th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading so far for the session. The Dow is currently up 33 points. The Nasdaq's up 6.25. The Russell's cash is up about 1 point or so. The S&P is up 1.5 points. We're seeing some strength in the bonds today. TLT up 29 cents. The VIX up 35 cents. Taking a look at the commodity space here, silver pretty much flat, down 2 cents. JJC copper flat, up 4 cents. GDX gold miners, they started off down. They tried to rally a little bit off their lows, and they ended up getting smacked right back down. GDX gold miners weak. We've been talking about the sector in gold, looking for some more weakness in those commodities and those specific gold mining stocks. As you can see, GLD is down 29 cents a day, pretty much flat. Recovered a lot of its downward action this morning. It's only down 28 cents, but it opened up this morning or hit a pre-market low this morning around 118.50. It's trading 119.65. USO crude oil down 33 cents. Just a quick look at some of the top sectors. You have XBI biotechs are about they're up about 0.75% from the opening price. That's XBI. And you have some action in the financials today. The financials are pretty strong out of the gate on the open. And aside from that, I'm seeing a lot of sectors on the red side of the percent change from open on the ETF list here. So let's kind of take a look at the market real quick here. Then we'll take a look at some key stocks that we're watching today. As you can see, the market popped up Sunday. This is a 50-minute chart on the ES. The market popped up Sunday overnight, rallied all the way to a high of 1809, and then we created an overnight range between 1809 and this 1805 half. Broke the bottom of the range going into the open, sold off, and then we held around the previous day's highs. If you were in our chat room this morning, or if you follow us on our Facebook page for the company Wall Street Trading, we gave out some levels to watch this morning. 1805 half, the bottom of the range, 1803 and 1800. Looks like we held the 1803 level, and now we're working off of that right now. Let's not forget it's a holiday. It's a holiday shortened week, and it's a holiday week to begin with, so volume could be pretty light. Going forward for the afternoon, I'm not really expecting much. We still have some little bear flag action that could be in play right here below these declining moving averages. Move down, still hanging in the lower part of the range here, so keep an eye on that. Again, if volume starts to lighten up and we maybe have no sellers, this thing could just start floating back higher like it usually does. So let's go and take a look at a couple of key stocks here. Let me bring up my screen. Some stocks that some guys were watching in the room this morning. Qualcomm was in play. They had some news that came out from China regarding some type of regulation that they may have broken. So therefore the stock's gapping down this morning. 71 was the key level to watch. We gave out 71 as one of the levels in our room. You can see it formed like a little triple bottom here at 71, and it's been going off ever since. Nice trade. Keep an eye on it as the stock is in play. Keep an eye on that name. Tesla came out with some news this morning. I forgot quite what the news was. I don't have it written down, but they came out with some news this morning. The stock moved up a little bit. It's been hanging around the 200-day exponential moving on the daily, 200-day exponential moving average on the daily. It's been holding as support for like the past 5 sessions. So today's action gave it a nice little quick flash on the open. If you're fast to catch that move off the 1 minute. Or if you waited patiently, you bought it against the 121 level, which is a support 3 level we gave out in our chat room today. You can see it held the 121 level twice, a little W pattern right there, and then took off. So that thing's off to the races. Another name that some guys in the room have been trading today. We've been watching the action in UNXL. I'm not sure if anybody really took that trade, but it looks good over 12.20, maybe over 12.10, excuse me. May get some gap fill action. Facebook had some traders in the room trading the Facebook. They did pretty well on that one. The stock got slammed today right out of the gate, all the way from a high of 46.60 all the way to a low of 44. So definitely some action there. Stock is getting slammed. Also have some action in QIHU. The stock looks like it wants to roll back to the low of the day, and it does have a lot of potential to go down towards maybe 80 if the sellers start hitting that name. So keep an eye on that name. A little bit volatile, a little bit spready. So I would definitely be careful with that. Again, the banks are strong. Citigroup showing some relative strength. JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, and all the financials are strong this morning, guys. Keep an eye on that sector. OREX, a little cheap stock, has some volume this morning, nothing there. Caterpillar strong today. And Triple D had some news out that they sold 10 printers, or they picked up some some contracts for some printer sales. Stocks getting slammed on that news, sold off. SCTY, they're working with, they're looking to build 10, I believe 10 solar. Hold on one second, let me take a look to see what the news was on the SCTY. Forgot exactly what it was. I want to give you guys the wrong information. SCTY expands in California with 10 new operation centers. That's the news. So stock gapped up, but then as you can see, they faded the stock. So we'll see. Keep an eye on these stocks that I mentioned, and keep an eye on the financials. Have a great day, folks. Catch you guys for the after the bell market summary video. Again, if you want to see us take some live trades, you could go into the chat room, mywallstreettv.com. The password is SMART, and a lot of traders in there share their ideas, and we have a lot of good stuff going on. Have a great day, folks. Take care.